Hangzhou Vision Chain mainly produces standard chains, non-standard chains, and special chains of various specifications, which are widely used in all kinds of fields. Types of chains include short pitch A and B series roller chains, long pitch conveyor chains, agricultural chains, forged chains, leaf chains, palm oil chains, stainless steel chains, etc. We offered products to many well-known international enterprises and won good reputation and repeat orders. Establishing long-term business relationship with clients are our objectives. Choose us, and you will find it is just the right partner.